Ever notice you can sleep a full 8 hours and still wake up feeling like you barely slept at all? The problem usually isn't how long you sleep, it's how much of that time is actually deep sleep. Your body cycles through several sleep stages every night, and only certain ones actually restore your energy. Blue light from phones and screens tricks your brain into delaying melatonin, the hormone responsible for making you feel sleepy. Even scrolling for 10 minutes in bed can push your body's natural sleep signal back by a significant amount. Caffeine is another hidden culprit, since it can stay active in your system for up to 6 hours after your last cup. That means a 4 p.m. coffee could still be disrupting your sleep quality well past midnight. Stress plays a role too, keeping cortisol levels elevated even while you're lying still with your eyes closed. Researchers have also found that inconsistent sleep and wake times confuse your circadian rhythm, the internal clock regulating your entire energy cycle. So that afternoon exhaustion probably isn't laziness at all. It's your body quietly begging for a sleep schedule it can actually predict.